Algebraic fractions. When we work with numeric fractions, they can be proper or improper. A proper fraction has a numerator smaller than the denominator, such as 2/3, with 2 being less than 3. An improper fraction has the numerator greater than the denominator, such as 7/4, because 7 is more than 4. When we work with algebraic fractions, both the numerator and the denominator are polynomial expressions. Please note that numbers are polynomials, so you could just have a 2 on the top, like we had with our first fraction there. An algebraic fraction is proper when the degree of the numerator is less than the degree of the denominator, such as 2x plus 3 over x squared minus 4x plus 5. Remember that the degree of a polynomial expression is the power of the x on the highest non-zero term. So in other words, here that x is to the power 1, so the degree of the top there is equal to 1, but on the bottom the highest powered non-zero term is the x squared, and that means the degree of the bottom is equal to 2. That's the power on the x squared. And so this one is a proper fraction because the degree of the top is less than the degree of the bottom. An algebraic fraction is improper if the degree of the numerator is either the same as or greater than the degree of the denominator, such as x squared plus 4x minus 5 over 2x squared plus 9, where both numerator and denominator have a degree of 2, or x squared plus 6x minus 9 over 2x plus 3, where the numerator has a degree of 2 and the denominator a degree of 1. Improper fractions can be arranged to an expression involving a proper fraction, and the sort of thing that that's equivalent to with numeric fractions is that we know that 7/4 could be written as 1 3/4. So we're going to do the same sort of thing, except we won't have a whole number part. We'll have an algebraic part. It might be a whole number part, actually. Just thinking about this one here, where it's the same. So it could be a number or some sort of polynomial expression that's higher than a number, like a linear or a quadratic. And then we'll have a fraction part where the bottom is the bottom of an algebraic fraction.